The athletes are coming on deck for the women's 50-meter freestyle, the S8 category. 3 Canadians in this one. Tripp will be in 6, Morgan Bird in 4, and Sabrina Duchesne will have lane 2. Mallory Wegman of the United States will be in 5. She's the Olympic champion in the 50 free. Cecilia Geronimo of Brazil will be in lane 3.
In lane 1, representing Venezuela,
Jocelyn Brito from Venezuela. She was 8th in the 100-meter backstroke yesterday at these Parapan Games. And number 1, lane number 2, Sabrina Duchesne. In the 400 freestyle from Quebec City. So these are the powerful Rouge Or team out of the University of Laval. Youngest member of the team, the Canadian team, was 7th in the 100-meter backstroke earlier. Cecilia Geronimo from Brazil. At the South American Games, she won the 100-meter freestyle in 2014. She also was in the 100-meter backstroke. So the lane 1, 2, and 3 were 6th, 7th, and 8th in the 100-meter backstroke yesterday. So they're very familiar and have raced one another several times. Morgan Bird, medalist earlier tonight in the 400-meter freestyle. She's out of Calgary. This is the 50-meter freestyle. She won a silver medal at the 2013 Worlds. This woman is one of the top paraswimmers in the world, swimmer of the year in Swimming World Magazine, paraswimmer of the world, I should say, 2009-2010. She was originally out of Minnesota. Isa Tripp from Canada, second youngest on the team, trains out of Kingston, Ontario, learned to swim at age 7. She has cerebral palsy. And in lane number 7, there are 7 women in this race. Karina Lopez from Mexico. She was 5th in the 100-meter backstroke yesterday.
Karina Lopez. This is the women's 50 meters freestyle S8 final.
We expect a battle between Mallory Wegman of the United States in lane 5, the Olympic champion, and Morgan Bird, the 21-year-old from Calgary, who has lane 4, women's 50 free S8, 1 length of the pool. Start is critical.
Let's see who got the best one. Looks right at this point, lane number 3 got an excellent start. Cecilia Geronimo. But right now in the middle, you got Morgan Bird already right back and even with her, as is lane number 5, Mallory Wegman.
Geronimo, Bird, and Wegman at the halfway mark of the women's 50 free S8. Just over 10 meters to go. This is going to be a great finish. Is it Morgan Bird who has a slight lead, challenged by Geronimo? They come to the wall, and it is Bird for gold. Wegman the silver, and Geronimo picks up the bronze in the women's 50 free S8.
That was all in the touch. The start, Geronimo had a great touch. There's Wegman there. She'll have to settle for 3rd. But it was a great start by Geronimo. Bird was able to catch up to her, and then it was all the touch. Second gold medal tonight. A pretty busy and productive night for Morgan Bird out of Calgary. Nice position. Nice job. All right, watch here. Geronimo, lane number 3, 3 from the bottom. She will come out ahead. You can see her right now. Bird now surfaces and just about catches up to her by about 10 meters into the race. But at the end, it'll be just the timing of the wall. Look at the 3 of them to the wall. But Bird is a little behind, but she's going to get her left hand in there quickly. Geronimo takes an extra stroke with her right at the bottom. Watch Geronimo. She's ahead at this point. Look at her head, look at her shoulders. Morgan Bird's going to come around now with her left arm, and Geronimo is going to go left, and now another short little stroke. Instead of leaning on her left, she takes another arm pull with her right. That cost Geronimo the gold medal. That got Bird to the wall first and got her the gold medal.
And how close was it? Morgan Bird, 32 seconds flat. Wegman gets the silver, 32.04, and Geronimo gets the bronze at 32.05. A gold medal swim for Canada's Morgan Bird in the women's 50 free. Wegman gets the silver, and Geronimo of Brazil picks up the bronze.
So the poor touch was actually cost her not the silver. She ended up with a bronze medal for a poor touch. Geronimo could have won it with a good touch.
as we say, we've got one more. Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you the victory ceremony for the women's 50 meters freestyle S8 final.
This is the victory ceremony for the women's 50-meter freestyle S8. One of the closest finishes we've seen so far at the Parapan swimming here in Toronto. Morgan Bird wins it with a time of 32 seconds flat. The silver medalist was 32:04, and the bronze medalist was 32:05. It just doesn't get closer than that. Patrick Jarvis, deputy board member at the International Paralympic Committee.
Director of Media and Communications for the International Paralympic Committee, Mr. Craig Spence.
The medal presenters being introduced here at the CIBC Pan Am Aquatic Center and Field House. Getting set to receive the bronze from Brazil, the 16-year-old Cecilia Geronimo, the women's 53 SA.
Young 16-year-old Cecilia had a great swim, really went out after it, but made just a small little mistake at the end. She really could have won the gold medal. She was ahead of both the other two swimmers, but she came around with another arm stroke when she got real close to the wall. And when you've got three women touching within 5/100 to the second, unfortunately, if you make a little mistake like she did, you're going to end up with the bronze medal. But you still get the bronze medal. Nothing wrong with that. You're only 16. The woman that beat you had a lot more experience. Watch for this woman 4 years from now in the next Parapans in Peru. I bet she'll be challenging for the top of the podium.
There's Mallory Wegman of the United States, the 26-year-old, 13 gold medals at the World Championships, the Olympic champion in the 50-meter freestyle. Here she has to settle for silver, 4/100ths of a second behind the woman. Mallory Wegman of the U.S.
One of the most outstanding para-swimmers in the world. She was paralyzed in 2008 from the waist down because she was having back problems, having epidural, and it didn't work properly and left her paralyzed from the waist down. University of Minnesota graduates.
Gold medal winner and Parapan champion, representing Canada,
The Parapan Pan Am champion in the women's 53, the gold medalist from Calgary, Morgan Bird.
Well, she's at both ends of the spectrum, a gold medal in the 50-meter free and starting the evening out with a gold medal in the 400-meter freestyle. That's a real tough double to find that kind of speed and yet that kind of endurance. And yet Morgan Bird can do that. She trains in Calgary. She's a veteran of Paralympics. And the World Championships recently, only 21 years of age. Great performance by Morgan here for the Canadian team.
ladies and gentlemen,
A performance that
of Canada.
deserves no count. Oh, Canada, played in honor of Morgan Bird, the gold medalist in the women's 50 S8.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Parapan.
The silver to Mallory Wegman of the United States, the Olympic champion, and the bronze to Cecilia Geronimo of Brazil.